one reason why I say to put the gauntlet over the glove. It's not just so that the fire doesn't go up in here. I did actually at one point in time put my gloves over my gauntlets because the glove was so big. But what happened was the chain got a hiccup on the cuff of the glove. So it was rabbit, but it wasn't fire problematic, but it actually caught when I was doing certain moves on the outside of the glove. So you have a smoother line on this part of your arm, and that's why I think the gauntlet is really, it gives you a cleaner surface to work with. For all of the wraps, I mean, you never know. You might be doing another self-flagellation section where you're wrapping all over your arms, and that's relevant. That was one of the things I loved about getting gloves, was how much easier it made my buzzsaws when I was using chain, because it protects your fingers and you don't have to worry about them being all torn up. They're warm now in the summertime, but you may not actually really go full on with the gloves all the time until a month or two from now, and it'll be cooler.